Hi, good morning. Today I will show you how to solve equations, systems of equations using substitution. And specifically when one of the variables x or y is already alone. So let's concentrate on this second equation, okay? Now if you notice the on the second equation y is already alone, right? And the value of y is 2x minus 10. So what we will do is we will substitute the value of y, which is 2x minus 10, into the first equation. All right? So I'm going to copy the first equation to 3x. Oops, sorry. Oops. There you go. Erasing it. So I'm going to say 3x, okay, plus 2y. And we know y is 2x minus 10. And then keep on going, equals negative 6. So essentially, we are working on the first equation, but the value of y, we substituted from y equals to 2x minus 10 in the second equation. So now let's simplify and solve this, okay? So 3x plus 2 times 2x is 4x. Okay, we distribute it, right? So 2 times 2x and 2 times negative 10. So 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Excuse me. Equals to negative 6. All right. So now we combine like terms. That will give us 7x minus 20 equals to negative 6. We want to cancel negative 20, which is, we do that by adding on both sides. All right, so now we have 7x equals to, this will cancel, which was the object of why we did that. You have positive 14, because negative 6 plus 20 is positive 14. So now we divide both sides by 7, and then we have x equals to 2. So when we have x equals to 2, we plug that into the second equation. All right, so if I bring down the second equation down, okay, over here, I have y equals to 2x. Oh, we know our x right now, which is 2 minus 10. Now we simplify. So that's 4 minus 10. So we say y equals to negative 6. Okay? So therefore, we say that the solution is, all right, in the form of ordered pair x comma y, it's 2, that's from here, comma, negative 6, which is from here. And that's it. So we just solved one problem on substitution involving systems of equation. All right?